To roast sunflower seeds, place about 1 cup, 135 grams of unshelled sunflower seeds in a bowl. Pour in enough room temperature water to completely cover the seeds. Then mix in about 1/3 cup, 90 grams of salt. Let the seeds soak in the salt water overnight. Then drain them and pat them dry with a paper towel. Spread the seeds out evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Roast the seeds in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the white parts of the shells turn golden brown. Stir the seeds occasionally to help them cook evenly. Mix a spoonful of butter into the seeds and serve them hot. If you'd rather save them for later, let them cool and then transfer them to an airtight container.